Airstream Basecamp 20. You won't believe what's hiding behind this futuristic-looking trailer. It's not just a shiny aluminum shell. It's a whole world of comfort and convenience. There's a cozy bathroom with everything you need to freshen up, and a sleek kitchen with all the essentials to whip up a delicious meal. You'll find a gas stove, a sink, a spice rack, a food compartment, an electric fridge, and even a microwave if you want one. The living space is versatile and adaptable, so you can change it according to your mood. You can turn the front table into a bed or a lounge, and adjust or remove the other two tables as you like. The benches can fit 5 people comfortably, and they can also transform into a small double bed, a full bed that spans the entire back of the trailer, or a combination of seat and sleep area. TENTRAX. If you can't afford or accommodate a giant RV, don't worry. The TENTRAX Ascend is the perfect solution for your adventurous spirit. This lightweight beast can handle any terrain, from the scorching sands of Jordan to the snowy peaks of North America. It's equipped with massive tires and a sturdy body made of fiberglass. Inside, you'll find a cozy bed with a soft mattress and a spacious storage area that you can lock. The tent is durable and resistant to water, sun, and mold. The TENTRAX Ascend is the ultimate minimalist motorhome for thrill seekers. BaileyDiscovery. The BaileyDiscovery is not just a caravan, it's an adventure. It's a lightweight, stylish, and functional vehicle that lets you explore the world with comfort and convenience. Whether you're a solo traveler or a family of 4, the BaileyDiscovery has a model that suits your needs. You can choose from the 2-berth D42, the 3-berth D43, or the 4-berth D44. Each model features a spacious lounge, a well-equipped kitchen, a cozy bedroom, and a compact bathroom. Plus, you can add a bespoke wraparound PRI awning to double your living space and enjoy the outdoors. The BaileyDiscovery is designed to be different, with a sleek exterior, a bright interior, and a range of innovative features. It's the perfect caravan for the modern, young, and adventurous caravaner. S1. Green energy is making waves in the motorhome industry, and a new startup from Colorado has launched one of the first electric trailers in the U.S. market. The NS1 runs on pure electricity, with a powerful battery and an inverter that supply AC power. The roof is covered with solar panels that keep the energy flowing on the road, and comfort is not compromised at all. Inside, there is an induction stove and an electric heater that provide water to the kitchen tank and the outdoor shower. The kitchen slides out to reveal a sink and a drawer. And for those who want more, there is an extra package that includes a grill or smoker, a smart oven, and a fridge for $3,250. TAXA TigerMoth. The TigerMoth is a caravan that can take you and your friends on an epic journey across any terrain. You can fit up to 5 people by adding a cozy tent on the roof. The sturdy wheels and tires can handle any road, and the solar power system can keep you off the grid for a week. You can enjoy the fresh air and the views through the clever doors and hatches. You can also turn the bed into a lounge with a table and store your stuff in a compartment. The kitchen slides out to reveal a big counter and a stove with 2 burners. You also get a roof rack, power outlets, and USB outlets for your convenience. Conqueror UEV310. If you're a seasoned traveler who values dependability over luxury, this model is for you. It's the tiniest and lightest trailer in the land down under, but it has everything you need for a great camping adventure. You can enjoy the outdoors with a foldable tent that expands the space around the trailer. You can store your stuff in the huge compartments and have plenty of water in the tank. You can cook delicious meals with a stove, fridge, grill, table, and sinks in the kitchen area. This model is the ultimate compact and convenient trailer for campers. Northwood Fox Mountain 235 RLS. If you want to experience the ultimate comfort and luxury on your vacation, this trailer is the perfect choice for you. It's like a cozy home on wheels, with plenty of space and amenities. You can sleep in one of the 6 beds, relax on the sofa or the armchairs, watch your favorite shows on the 32-inch TV with omnidirectional antenna, and enjoy the cool breeze from the air conditioning and the thermostat. You can also pamper yourself in the shower stall, cook delicious meals in the kitchen with custom countertops, a unique dining table, a microwave, and a huge 10 cubic foot refrigerator, and admire the views from the windows. You don't have to worry about running out of power or water because this RV has exhaust fans, a 45-watt solar panel, and a 59-gallon freshwater tank. Patriot Campers X1-H. The Patriot Campers X1-H is a camper trailer that combines ruggedness, comfort, and convenience. It is designed to take you to any destination, no matter how remote or challenging. It has a remote-controlled hard-top lid with an integrated solar panel, so you can set up in seconds and enjoy the power of the sun. Inside, you will find a spacious living area with 6 beds, strip lighting, and a 32-inch TV. You can also cook, shower, and dine in style with a gas stove, hot water system, custom countertops, and unique dining table. The X1-H has a 155 liters water tank, twin batteries, airbag suspension, and X-Cruise coil suspension to ensure you have everything you need for your adventure. The X1-H is not just a camper trailer, it's a home away from home. Brawny Domino. The Domino is a vehicle that offers you stability and comfort on your travels. It has a unique teardrop shape that makes it resistant to wind and other forces. It also has 2 modes that you can choose from, depending on your needs. If you just want to take a nap or spend the night, you can use the travel mode. The back doors slide open and reveal a cozy space for 2 people, with a queen-size spring mattress. If you want to stay longer and enjoy the nature, you can use the camp mode. With a push of a button, the top of the trailer goes down. Then you just need to set up some tent poles, and you will have a nice awning and a private changing room with drawers for your clothes. The kitchen is also very convenient. It slides out to the side and has everything you need: a 2-burner stove, a sink, a fridge, and a drawer for cooking tools and utensils. Bruder EXP-4. Behold the trailer's crowning glory. Its adaptable suspension, which can handle any kind of landscape. Whether you park on a rocky hill or a sandy beach, the Bruder EXP-4 will level itself automatically. This feature is also useful for off-road adventures. The trailer glides over bumps and slopes with ease. Inside, you'll find a snug sleeping area that's ready to use anytime. It's 5.97 by 0.11 feet in size. No need to fuss with any settings. There's also a 3.2 by 5.9 feet bed for the little ones. You'll have USB charging ports and storage spaces galore, including a rack for your clothes. The kitchen is sleek and modern, and sheltered from the elements by the back door. You'll have a 15.8-gallon fridge and a cooktop that can run on gas, diesel, or induction. SEALANDER. This trailer is a marvel of engineering. It can transform from a cozy motorhome on land to a floating house on water. You can relax and enjoy the ride, knowing that the SEALANDER is built with modern composite materials that make it light, strong, and durable. It can withstand scratches, sun, and water without any trouble. And don't worry about tipping over. The special alignment keeps it stable and balanced. The SEALANDER has everything you need for a comfortable living. You can customize it with a bedroom, a toilet, and a kitchen. You can also add a fridge, a mini stove, and a sound system if you like.